I don't know about you, but when I'm considering buying something big, the first thing I do is head to the review section. It's because we trust people we can relate to. So one of the best ways to build trust and authority is to demonstrate how you've successfully helped others with the same problem. Client testimonials and case studies look great on your website, and you can also include them in any proposals you send to prospective clients. If you've never received one, don't worry. When we work with clients, we encourage them to send out a customer survey after they've completed the work. It should allow the client to score you in various aspects of the work and prompt some written feedback about their experience. By using this system, if you're providing a good service or product, you will get loads of positive feedback that you can turn into testimonials. If appropriate, it's a great idea to ask the clients if they'd be happy to copy and paste the testimonial into a LinkedIn recommendation, so all of your connections get to see it too. You can also use the feedback to build case studies, perfect for websites, award entries, and media. And the best part, it's a really inexpensive marketing strategy. If you need help building your business testimonials, leave us a comment under the video or contact the team at Moja.